Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through a complete guide on how to use the Me Plus app, your personal self-care assistant. Let's get started. First, open your App Store or Play Store, then search for the Me Plus and hit install. And once installed, launch the app and begin adding your daily routines or schedules. Then here you can also customize them based on your personal goals like morning rituals, study time, or workouts. Then, the app will automatically remind you when it's time to complete each task. Once done, simply tap Done, and the task is marked complete. Is that easy? Then the Me Plus isn't just a planner. It also includes a mood tracker, a visual mood tree, and a private room, a safe space to reflect, write, or answer daily journaling prompts. And that's it. You're now ready to stay organized and mindful with Me Plus app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.